Pedri is a Spanish professional footballer who plays as an attacking midfielder for FC Barcelona. He was born on November 25, 2002 in Tegueste, Spain. July 2020, the player agreed to a 2-year contract with the FC Barcelona, who paid 5 million for the deal. Pedri joined UD Las Palmas youth setup in 2018 from CF Juventud Laguna. On 15 July 2019, aged only 16, he signed a professional 4-year contract with the club, being promoted to the first team by manager Pepe Mel. Pedri made his professional debut on 18 August 2019, aged only 16, by starting in a 0-1 home loss against SD Huesca for the Segunda Division Championship. He scored his first professional goal on 19 September, netting the game's only in a home success over Sporting de Gijón, and became the youngest goal scorer in Las Palmas history at 16 years, 9 months and 23 days of age. Pedri can play in either of the two positions, although you have to take into account that he feels more comfortable on the left, a bit like Andres Iniesta. He will fit perfectly at Barcelona. He can grow even more because he makes those around him better. He also stands out more when quality football players are around him. He understands the spaces very well when he has to go inside and leave a space on the outside, or when to realize you have numerical superiorities in certain areas of the pitch.